Look, the fallout from this bad forklift driving habit is way worse than you think. Seriously, backing up without even looking, come on. At best, you damage some goods or facilities. At worst, someone could get seriously hurt or lose their life. Some forklift drivers don't even know their workplace well enough and just reverse blindly. Can you afford the consequences of being crushed by a forklift? Then there are drivers who do whatever they want in the warehouse, backing up without checking if anyone is behind. If you're lucky, maybe it's just a smashed foot, but sadly, there are plenty of real, heartbreaking accidents. For the driver involved, suspension might be the nicest thing they get. Some might never work in this field again. If you're a pedestrian nearby, you need to do everything possible to stay out of harm's way. And if you're a safety manager, making forklift operations safer and avoiding huge fines and lawsuits, that's your mission all along. The solution: use cutting-edge collision avoidance technology to sense everything around the forklift, both goods and people, and stop crashes due to careless habits or negligence. These systems warn the driver and hit the brakes automatically before any collision occurs. If not, well, just watch this. Follow us to learn more about forklift safety.